up, YouTube? I have finally made it back home, and look what I got. Your girl got a package. And what does it say? Juvia's place, Juvia's place. So we about to pop this box open and see what we got. And this took quite a bit. I mean, I ordered it during the holidays, like the day before Christmas, so I wasn't expecting it to come anywhere around that time. It is now January 10th, which isn't bad, but just the communication wise from DHL, it took them forever to like send me updates, because I always make sure that I ask for updates on my packages, send me text messages, email. It took days for that, and I had to email Juvia's place and be like, hey, I'm just getting a little worried because I'm not getting any updates. What's really going on? But anyway, let me turn this camera around so we can see what we have. Here we are, Juvia's place. I've already cut the box open. I haven't peeked inside. We're going to unbox today. All right, and everything is all wrapped up in this like styrofoam paper, or whatever, packing paper. Got my packing slip attached to it, and my 3 palettes. I have the Masquerade Mini, I have the Zulu, and I have the Festival. So we're going to swatch these and see how they. Okay, so let's start with not dropping my phone. Let's start with that. Let's start with the Masquerade. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, look at all these colors. Yo, these, I'm already like hyped by this one right here. Whoops. I like this one too. That first color was Molly. Ooh, look at this purple. This is Makita. I want to try. Oh my gosh, that purple looks so good. Blurry. Ooh, shoot. Oh shoot. That pink might be it, boy. Oh my gosh. Now we are doing. I love these purple shades that they have in there. Like, oh my gosh. I can't wait. This orange. Look at this color. Woo! Oh yes, I like that. I like that. I don't even know where to swatch that. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I like this orange color too. Oh, I ain't know. That's gonna be a good transition shade. But this color, and now Festival. And the only reason why I ordered these offline was because I didn't know I could get them from Ulta. And then when I went in Ulta, I had already ordered them, and they didn't even have the ones that I actually wanted in there at that time. So it was like, well, I guess it's good that I ordered them offline. So this is Festival. This one's really nice. I like that. I like this shade right here. What is that? That is Is that fire? It's not fire. I don't know. I love these colors. Look at this. I gotta test this one. This one's probably gonna be like bling bling, baby. I already feel it in my body. And it's shimmery as heck. Oh my god. There's like a metallic silver. This thing is so pretty. But I'm also gonna test the foundation. I'm just gonna swatch it on my face with my finger. And this is in the shade, I don't know why I paused so long. It's in the shade Kenya 200. And it's supposed to be full coverage. So it's so smooth. If I do a full face,
I'm gonna have to do a full face. Like, I want to play in this so much, but that's I'm just gonna have to wait. Like, I gotta wait.
But anyway, I'm really in love. I cannot wait to test these out fully. It's gonna be a while before I can really get into all of the palettes that I have, but I really cannot wait to use the foundation with it. I think it's gonna be a good look. I'm really excited. So stay tuned. I might not use them all at once, but I'm gonna dibble and dabble for sure. So hit that notification bell, like, share, subscribe, comment. Be ready because I'm coming.